Hi guys,
I'm Gabi, this is Nepal.
and together we are the TravelMaker
TravelMakerQueens.
Queens, and currently we are in.
A lot of people talk about the islands in Thailand and refer to them as the ultimate place for a relaxing vacation. But here is another opinion. Let us introduce you to Hua Hin, a beach resort town just 3 hours away from Bangkok and one of our favorite Thai destinations so far. We had the most relaxing week there, which was all about sun, pools, shopping, beaches and self-care. And we couldn't ask for a better place and a better atmosphere for all of that.
Even if you are not too into shopping, the huge malls there are an experience of its own. The Bluport Mall is designed like, as you can probably guess, a port, and it's really fun to walk around and spend time in. Great variety of food in fast food chains, restaurants, and a cheap market. Great variety of shops and massages of all kinds on the first floor. If you are into shopping, you are looking for an amazing adventure that will make you want to make it rain! The week we spent there was in December, so as a bonus we also got to feel some of the Christmas spirit and celebrate it. The market village was full of Santas, lights and Christmas trees. We felt like a part of a big celebration there, with a lot of people all around the world, Christmas songs and so many colors. We also got to receive a random gift from a skinny female Santa, which we loved.
Another huge part of our fun experience were the premium night markets there, which we didn't miss any day of the weekend. They are not open during weekdays. The Tamarind night market is definitely a place to go on an empty stomach. Most of it is dedicated to great food of all kinds, local and international. In just a few minutes walk from Tamarind, you'll find Cicada market, which is even trendier and more fun. It has everything and the best of everything. There were so many unique and gifted handcraft sellers. There is even an open-air theater with different shows playing every night. We really enjoy this place. Beautiful decorations, a lot of interesting people, clothes and souvenirs.
Less part of how Hua Hin treated us amazingly were the beautiful beaches it has, which are very different from each other, and we recommend trying and checking as many beaches as possible. They were just amazing and relaxing, with clear and pleasant water from the Gulf of Thailand Sea. So we were the TravelMaker Queens, and that was a short overview of Hua Hin. We recommend it deeply and sure that you will discover a lot more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.